Hello everyone, welcome back to Taste in a Platter. Today I'm sharing a recipe using ripened plantain, and this is most popular in the southern part of India called Kerala. We call it parampuri, or you can call it as banana fritters. Because this snack is available throughout the year, it is very popular, and when we talk about a parampuri or banana fritters, it is such a unique recipe. It is an emotion for many of us from the southern part of India. Although the plantain contains very little in the way of protein, minerals and vitamins, its high starch content makes it an important staple throughout the tropical regions, whether it be India or Africa or the Caribbean. So let me give you an idea on how to make it and what ingredients we need, and then I can give you more tips and tricks to make it perfect. The basic recipe needs all-purpose flour, turmeric, water, salt to taste and sugar. Now how much depends on how many bananas you are taking and how many people that you're going to serve. The first thing to keep in mind is always pick the ripened bananas which are sweet for this recipe, then only it is going to taste better. Here I have taken 2 big ripened plantains, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of turmeric to color, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. If the plantains you picked are not sweet enough, you can adjust the taste by adding more sugar. Once we have all the ingredients ready, we are just going to whisk it together with some water to make a fine batter, and make sure that the batter is not too loose, but it has to stick on to the plantain pieces when we deep fry them. Once the batter is ready, the next step is to peel the bananas and cut them lengthwise into 2 or 3 slices. You can also make it into tiny pieces like how I did here. Now all that is left to do is to pick each pieces and dip them in the batter and deep fry in hot oil. Now here are some variations that you can do with the batter. To this batter you can definitely add 1 egg, which will enrich the batter, and also if you're giving it to kids, it's going to be a healthier option. Another variation is people prefer to add some sesame seeds, maybe half teaspoon or 1/4 of a teaspoon of sesame seeds when you bite onto this fritters will give some extra flavors. If you add a half teaspoon of rice flour or semolina, when you deep fry them, it can stay crispy for a longer period, so try that as well. Another thing is you can also add a pinch of baking soda to this batter to make it even soft and crispier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this with some hot tea or coffee and let me know in comment section how it turned out. Also make sure to take a picture and tag me on Taste in a Platter on Instagram. If you are watching this video without subscribing, please do subscribe and like, comment and share with your friends and family. I thank you for watching Taste in a Platter. Stay safe and stay tuned.